You're able to customize your Totally site so that it matches your organization's branding. In this video, we'll look at some of the most essential features of theming your site. Let's start by focusing on some of the core features of setting up a theme. To edit the theme settings, go to Site Administration, Appearance, Themes, then select Theme Settings. On this page, you're able to define whether courses can have their own themes, or whether you'd like all courses within a category to have a set theme. Users can hide blocks by default. If you'd like to prevent users from hiding blocks, then you can uncheck this box. You're also able to define whether or not you'd like users to dock their blocks. Allowing users to dock blocks means that users can move blocks to the side dock. So that's some of the core features set up. Let's now look at adding some colors and branding to the site. Go to Site Administration, Appearance, Themes, and then choose Theme Selector. For this demo video, I'm going to use the Basis theme that's already selected. Basis is a preset theme with configurable colors that you're able to easily adapt to suit your needs. If I now click Basis under Themes, I'll be able to start customizing this theme. Let's start by uploading a logo. There are two ways to upload your logo. You can either drag and drop your logo, or you can click on the button on the top left corner to upload a file. I'll drag and drop the logo into the box. It's also possible to add a favicon to distinguish your site in a tab. Once I click Save Changes, your logo will display in the top left corner of the site, and the favicon will display on the Browser tab. When you edit your logo, don't forget to add some text. The text will show to a user if the image doesn't. There are many different options to change the colors of the site. You can change the text and the link colors that will appear in your navigation menu. To change the colors of different sections, you can change the hex code, which might be written in your organization's branding guidelines. The default hex code for the theme is also displayed, so you're able to return to the default color scheme if you're not happy with the change you've made. You can also change the color by selecting the color with your mouse. The visited link color can also be adapted. This is the color that a link will turn once it has been selected in the navigation menus. This can be a useful way to highlight a learner's typical user journey on your site. Changing the background color will have a big impact on your theme. If you change the background color, it will be set across the site. Blocks, navigation bars, and the footer will sit on top of the background color and won't inherit the chosen background color. The background color is separated into two parts: the main content background color and the secondary content background color. The main content background color sets the color across the site and includes the central region on site pages. I'll update the hex code to change this to a light aqua. The secondary content background color will set the background of the main menu and the footer. I'll change this to purple so the difference is clearly visible. The footer is a useful space to include links to other parts of your website. You can add those links or information in this section. If you have some custom CSS, then you can also enter this here. If you've clicked Save Changes, then the background colors will have been implemented. Now that we've added a logo and changed the colors, we could focus on other aspects, such as changing the main menu items, but that's a subject for another video.